Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, my dear friends. Today's video we will show you how to make a Twitter account and how to participate in the National Tabligh Day. Step number 1. Go to www.twitter.com and sign up as a new user if you don't already have a Twitter account. Hit sign up and choose a name. We will say our name is Tabligh Day 2020. And instead of a phone number, we will be using an email address. And our email is nationaltablighday@gmail.com. You click next, next, and this is the summary of the account you are about to create, and you hit sign up. Now, Twitter will send you a verification code to that email address. So you go into your email address. If you had used your phone number, then it would send it to you on your phone number. But here, if we have our email, I will copy this verification code and post it here into Twitter. Click next and create a password that is at least 6 characters or more. Click next and you should not get that error message, but now you are in your Twitter account. So this is the home page for Twitter.